Can I actually figure out what makes millions of tires every single year? The world relies on tires, and lots of them. From the family car to the big rigs that keep goods moving, tires are a crucial part of modern life. But have you ever wondered how they're made? I'm about to take you on a journey inside the complex machines and processes that create millions of tires every day. It's a story of innovation, precision, and a lot of rubber. You'll get to see the different stages that go into making a tire, from the raw materials to the finished product. And you might be surprised at just how much technology and engineering goes into creating something that seems so simple. The process of making tires has come a long way since the early days of driving. Let's take a step back and look at how it all began. The first tires were made of solid rubber, and they were a bit of a rough ride. But with the invention of the pneumatic tire, things started to change. This was a game changer for the automotive industry, and it paved the way for the modern tires we use today. The pneumatic tire was a major innovation, but it wasn't without its challenges. Early tires were prone to punctures and blowouts, and they didn't last very long. But as technology improved, so did the tires. The development of synthetic rubber and other materials helped to make tires more durable and longer lasting. And with the introduction of new manufacturing techniques, tire production became faster and more efficient. Tire manufacturing involves a lot of different stages. It starts with raw materials like rubber, steel, and fabric. These materials are mixed together to create a special compound that's used to make the tire. The compound is then calendared, which involves rolling it out into thin sheets. This is where the tire's layers start to take shape. The next stage is building, where the tire's components are assembled. This includes the tread, the sidewall, and the bead. The tire is then cured in a pressurized mold, which gives it its final shape. This is where the tire's characteristics, like its tread pattern and handling, are set. After curing, the tire goes through a series of quality control checks. This includes testing for strength, durability, and performance. The tire manufacturing process is complex and involves a lot of precision. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. But making tires isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is maintaining consistency and quality across millions of units. The production process also has an environmental impact, from the sourcing of raw materials to the energy used in manufacturing. And then there's the drive for innovation, to improve performance and sustainability. These challenges are being addressed in a number of ways. Advanced automation and robotic precision are helping to improve efficiency and consistency. Sustainable material sourcing and recycling initiatives are also becoming more important. This includes using recycled materials in tire production and developing new technologies to reduce waste. Researchers are working on new materials and designs that can improve tire performance and reduce environmental impact. This includes things like airless tires and biodegradable materials. The industry is also exploring new ways to recycle and reuse tires at the end of their life. This includes recycling programs and creative reuse initiatives. Tire manufacturing is an incredible feat of engineering and technology. It's a vital part of modern society, and it's constantly evolving. The next time you get behind the wheel, take a moment to appreciate the tires that make it all possible. They're a remarkable piece of engineering, and they're only getting better. The industry's efforts to make tires safer, more efficient, and sustainable are ongoing. And it's exciting to think about what the future might hold. If you have any thoughts on tire manufacturing, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more industrial insights. Check out our other videos on how cars are assembled and the science behind modern plastics. We're always exploring the fascinating world of industrial production. Thanks for joining me on this journey inside the machines that make millions of tires every year. It's been a wild ride, and I'm glad you're along for the trip. And if you're curious about more industrial stories, we've got plenty more where this came from. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date. Until next time, keep on rolling.